Here is the million-dollar question. Do you dream of taking the top spot on Google's search results? In which case you've probably got weird dreams. I've got the insider tips to make sure it happens for you. So before we dive into the strategies, let me share a little bit about my journey so far. A couple of decades ago, I was running an event management business. I had this grand idea for a website to promote my event planning business, thinking it would be an instant hit. It was back in the day that not many people actually had websites, and some people were even using MySpace as their main go-to connection. Yes, I'm that old. But when I launched it, let's just say, well, it wasn't a magical entrance that I was hoping for. There were crickets, not clients. Initially, I put it down to my clientele not being online yet, but boy was I wrong. That's when I stumbled into the fascinating world of SEO. Back then, SEO was as simple as sprinkling keywords all over your website and you'd magically climb Google's ranks. You could list all your keywords down the bottom and hide them as the same colour as the background. But my friends, those days are a distant memory. So let's get into how you can master the art of hitting the top ranks of Google and make sure we are ready for whatever it has coming. Tip number 1. Embrace comprehensive content. Now, Google has evolved over the years and it is essential to keep up with the latest trends. Enter Hummingbird and its changing rules. Nowadays, Google favours websites that specialise in a particular niche and go above and beyond. So if your website revolves around pet care, don't just say feed your pets well, dive deep into nutrition, health, and even maybe create guides onto the best food brands to use. Really go into depth, and the key is to provide thorough content that leaves no stone unturned. Now, in the ever-evolving world of digital marketing, change is a constant companion that we can't escape. I don't know where I heard that before. Anyway, this rings especially true when we talk about the digital juggernaut that is Google, which frequently fine-tunes its algorithm to ensure users receive the most relevant search results, which is great as a searcher, slightly trickier as a business. So we need to unravel the intricacies of Google's latest algorithm update in 2023 that is going to take us into 2024 and the future. Now, the 2023 Google algorithm update has been coined Hummingbird 2.0, a substantial leap forward from its forerunner. So it places a strong emphasis on understanding user intent and delivering tailored, personalised results. So what is Hummingbird 2.0 all about?
So what is it?
So much like the original Hummingbird update, which focused on deciphering the context behind search queries, Hummingbird 2.0 takes this a step further. This upgraded algorithm delves into a user search history and leverages the wealth of data that Google has actually gathered about its preferences, about your preferences. So as a result, two individuals typing the same search query may now receive completely different results based on their unique preferences and past searches. So what does this mean for our businesses? Well, this update underlines the critical importance of comprehending your target audience and crafting content that resonates deeply with their specific needs and preferences. So for small businesses, it underscores the significance of creating high quality, relevant content that genuinely speaks to their intended audience. But more importantly, what can we do? It's all about understanding what your target audience seeks when they land on your website. So utilize tools like Google Analytics to scrutinize user behavior and fine-tune your content accordingly. Know who you are talking to and make sure they feel right at home and not just another number.
Now I feel very special.
Quality over quantity. Instead of churning out content in vast quantities, redirect your focus to producing high quality pieces that provide genuine value to your audience. Don't overlook the significance of technical SEO. So ensure your website loads swiftly, is definitely mobile friendly, and boasts a really well structured sitemap. Google still values these factors when determining website rankings, so make sure you focus on those. Local SEO takes central stage if you are a local business. It is imperative to keep your Google My Business listing updated. The new update places local businesses in a prime position in search results, offering a substantial advantage. Now, adapting to Google's algorithmic transformations may pose challenges, especially for small businesses. We just don't have the same time. However, with a profound comprehension of these changes and a flexible digital strategy, maintaining a robust online presence is more than possible.
'cause you've got this.
Now remember, Google's algorithm updates ultimately aim to elevate the user experience. Therefore, any SEO strategy grounded in a user-centric approach is poised to thrive in the long run. Don't forget to like and subscribe so I can do my little happy dance, and I will see you in the next video as we continue to make magic together.